Bojo Kinawea, Miguanabi Kwe Dishnikos, Jessica Jonias Dejagana Shi Noswin Alwan, Edik Dodem, Majikaning Donjaba, Gichinenda Mumpi Wiya. Eknomage Dao Mumpi Nigani Nenja Naki Tagea, Daknomage Bungi Waja Nishnabemang. Gi Kwejmago Weebe Debatama Geja Kidyangoba Shkintam and Kweshkadading. So in English, greetings everyone. My name is Miguanabi Kwe or Jessica Jonias. I'm the language teacher here at Niganin North Shore Tribal Council. And I've been asked to share a little bit of language with you all. So we're just going to start from the top and just we're going to learn today how to introduce ourselves when we first meet each other. So I'm just going to share my screen here. I just want to say as well, thank you for coming to my house by the wonders of Zoom. So I'm just going to go break down line by line what I said in my introduction. So we're going to hear it a couple of times. We're going to see it a couple of times. And wherever you are, whether it's the comfort of Zoom or in person, you're going to say it along with me. And hopefully the team will have a little takeaway for you to take home and practice with. So here's starting from the top, my introduction, Bojo. So you'll see the first spelling that would be, it's called the Fierro double vowel spelling system. That's kind of been universally adopted in how to spell, but I know not all of us do that. So in brackets, I tried to spell it phonetically. So there's Bojo. That's our formal greetings. The second thing I said was my name, Miguanabi Kwe Dijnikos. So I am named Miguanabi Kwe. My third line, Jessica Jonias Dajagana Shi Noswin Alwan. So Jessica Jonias is my English name. Edik Dodem, that's going to be my clan. So Caribou, so that's Edik, and Dodem would be my clan. And where I'm from, Majikaning Donjaba. So I'm from Rama. And then I like to just add in another little line because I know when we first introduce ourselves, we don't just leave it at that. We like to, say something a little bit pleasant. So that's what my next line is here. It says, Gitchinendum Mumpi we ya'a. So I'm happy to be here. Hopefully you're happy to be here and you'll use that line. So same thing. But there's going to be some spots where you can fill in the blank for whatever your name is. So whether you're at home or in person, just fill in the blanks here. Everyone's going to say Bojo, Bojo. Oh, I missed a line. There we go. For your name, that's the second one. So that blank spot, that's where you're going to fill in your name. So blank, Dijnikos. There's a typo there. Dijnikos. I'm missing an N. That's okay. It's spelled properly phonetically. So your name comes first and then your Dijnikos. So that's the part that says your name. Our third line is if you have your Anishabemowin name and you want to introduce that first, then you might want to introduce your English name, right? So that's that third line. So blank, that's where you put in your name again. Dejagana Shi Noswin Alwan. So Dejagana Shi Noswin, my English name, Alwan is. So the name comes first. So for me, Jessica Jonias Dejagana Shi Noswin Alwan. So that's my English name. And then your clan, same thing, whatever that clan animal is, if you know it, will come first. And then Dodem, Dodem. So that's the word for my clan. And then where you're from. Again, so that community that you're from, that'll go first in the blank spot. And then Donjaba, Donjaba, that's where I'm from. And then I'm happy to be here. Gitchinendum, Mumpi, we ya. So let's say that all together. Gitchinendum, Mumpi, we ya. So Gitchinendum, I'm happy. Mumpi, here, we ya. To be, that I am here. We ya. Okay, so we might have some variations to this. Some of us don't know our Anishinaabe name. So if you don't know it, that's okay. You just use your English name and you would just stick with Dijnikos. So you can use that for any name. It just means that's what I'm called, right? So you would just say Jessica Dijnikos, right? And then you would skip over the English part. So some of us too, we don't know our clans yet. So I say yet because the teaching that I was given regarding this is that we all have clans. It's just that we might not know them yet. So I don't like to teach, I don't have a clan. I don't believe that to be the case. So what I like to teach is how to say, I don't know my clan yet. So that's when you would say this line right here, that 1, 2, 3, fourth line down. Gaim she giken ma si dodem. So there's my phonetic spelling in there if you need that. Gaim she. So that would be not yet. Giken ma si, I don't know them. Dodem, my clan. So I don't know who my clan is yet. Gaim she giken ma si dodem. Now, some of us too, we might live somewhere differently than where we are from. So if you want to add that line in too, you would state where you're from. So for myself, it's here in Rama, Majikaning. So you'd say Majikaning Don Jaba or Kitagan Zibi Don Jaba, Ganabajing Don Jaba, wherever you're from. But then after that line, you would follow up with where you live. So that's this line here. So that blank spot, that's going to be the town that you're living in. You just fill in the blank there. And then the rest of this sentence is Dida Megwa. Dida, I live. Megwa, currently or right now. So I could say Majikaning Don Jaba, I'm from Rama. Toronto Dida Megwa. I currently live in Toronto. Or Swakmuk Dida Megwa. I'm currently living in Sudbury. So that's what that line is there for. Okay. So let's take it from the top one more time. You can follow along or you can fill in the blanks. Obviously, your name isn't going to be Miigwanabique or Jessica. You might have a different clan, but we'll run through this one more time. And that'll be our introductions. So, Bojo, Miigwanabique Dijnikos, Jessica Shonias, Dejaganashi Noswin Alwan, Edik Dodem, Majikaning Don Jaba, Gitchinenda Mumpi Wiya'a. Miwe, that's it. Now, hopefully you'll get a little, I don't know if it's going to be a link or an actual physical paper copy of this, where you can fill in the blanks and have that phonetic spelling. That's just one way, one of many ways that you can introduce yourself in Anishabemowin. So that's going to be it for today. Chimigwech gibizindoyek. Mama P.